How to download apps without payment method in iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to download your applications without any payment method in iPhone. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see this general option. So simply click on this general option and scroll all the way down again until you see this language and region. Simply click on it, and under your region section just select your country, and once you do that simply head back, and from over here scroll all the way down up and click on this your profile section. And from over here what I want you to do is simply click on this media and purchases option, and when you are on this section simply tap on this country or region option over here, and again wait for some time and simply select on this change country or region, and from over here just choose your country to United Nations, just like this. And once you click on it just wait for some time and click on agree the terms and conditions. And from over here what you can do is you can see on the screen you will have the option to enter your payment method either with credit card, PayPal or known. So simply select on known, and from over here what you can do is simply fill out all of your detail just like this, your first name, last name, and your street name, and all the things that has been asked on this device by following on-screen instructions. And once you do that simply click on next, and you will have successfully be able to download apps without any payment method on your iPhone. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.